Tired of switching between multiple wrenches for different nut sizes? Today we're checking out this universal multifunctional adjustable double head wrench set, a self-tightening spanner designed to handle nuts from 3 millimeters to 22 millimeters. With its double-ended design and automatic grip adjustment, this tool claims to replace multiple wrenches in one compact solution. Perfect for home repairs, automotive work, plumbing, and DIY projects. Let's see how well it grips, adjusts, and performs under real torque. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more products.